Hey guys, what is up, and welcome back to another video. And in this one, we are going to be talking about the upcoming live streams that I'll be doing. We're going to review my October performance. We're going to talk about the trading goals that I have for November, and then I'm going to show you my new upload schedule for the month of November. First things first, in my last video, I asked you guys if you would be interested in watching me live stream every day in Twitch. Enough people were interested, so I did go ahead and create a Twitch account, which will be the first link in the description. If you're interested in watching me live stream my trades every single day, click on that link and then click the purple follow button so that you will get notified, or at least I hope you get notified when I go live. And I'm planning on doing my first live stream on November 9th, which is next Monday, and then I will be doing that every single market day for at least the month of November. And if I enjoy it, and it seems like you guys are enjoying it as well, then that will continue into December. So the next thing I'd like to do is just take a look at my performance throughout the month of October. And what we're looking at right now is the calendar view of October. And from what I see, it looks like we were pretty consistent overall. One thing I am noticing though is that I only hit my daily goal of $100 around 3 to 4 times a week. And I sort of attribute this a bit to the fact that October felt like a really slow month, but it was also a bit unacceptable on the days like Thursday, which was October 1st, October 15th, and October 16th. I can't be having red days. I want to do green days every single day. And I remember these pretty well. I know that on both October 1st and October 15th, I actually was up and I finished the day down, primarily due to boredom trading. And I don't think that holds as true for October 1st because you can see I only took 10 positions. So I think what happened is I was actually up, and then I had one big bad trade, which eliminated all my profit and more, and the day was already slow, and I don't like trading slow, so I just walked away, which was smart, because I didn't want to have a really bad start to the month. I'm certain, though, for October 15th, I was up $50 on the day, and there was nothing left to trade, and I didn't want to walk away with only $50 profit. So what I ended up doing is I kept trading a bunch of mid to large cap stocks, and I think you can actually see that in one of my older recap videos that I was trading mid to large cap stocks and ended up making me go from $50 positive to minus 25. And then a similar thing happened on Friday. That Friday there was nothing going on, and what did I go and do? I traded mid to large cap stocks, and at that point I made a video where I said if I ever trade a large to like mid cap stock again, I'm going to be giving a random amount of money to like a random viewer. So to this day, I still haven't done that, and you won't be seeing it in November, December, or thereafter. So I think overall, though, this performance was pretty good. We made a decent amount of money. It wasn't anything crazy, but the consistency is what we were really striving for this month. And I feel like we did a pretty good job of being consistent because hitting the daily goal 3 to 4 times a week is pretty solid. I would have to say so. And I think we can do better. Don't get me wrong. I think that this month, what I'm going to be focusing on doing is never boredom trading. If I don't believe there's any potential in the market, then I'm going to walk. I'm not going to boredom trade. I'm not going to trade mid to large cap. I'm going to stick to the strategy, and I'm going to be scaling up. For this month, I'm aiming to do $150 to $200 a day, because if I do that, then hypothetically, we're going to be seeing pretty consistent increases every month. If I'm able to double my daily goal, that would be really cool. By December, I might be able to do 400 a day, which would mean, maybe in February, I would be doing 1,000 a day. And that's the kind of scaling I want to see from this point on, because this demonstrates I'm capable of the consistency. The only element that is missing is trading with more capital. And if I give myself 1 month at a certain level, you get really comfortable, because at this point, I am incredibly comfortable making $100 a day. It feels pretty easy, which, knock on wood, I don't want to like ruin things, but it's been going pretty well. And actually today is November 2nd, and today I made $106. I could have kept trading longer, but I'm waiting to scale and start doing bigger days until after the election, because right now things seem a little bit weird in the market. I can still trade it, but I get kind of bad vibes, and I don't want to be trading and increasing my capital when I don't feel completely comfortable. Then for the next screenshot we have, this is just showing the journal for October 2020, and it does say a different number than what the calendar said. The calendar said in the top right that I made $1,787.64, and then when I filter it for the month of October, it said I made $1,841.95. So I'm not really sure where the discrepancy is, but I made one of those two values. And according to this, it said that I maintained an 80% win rate across 669 positions. And I'm very happy with that win rate. I think that as long as I'm maintaining above a 75% win rate, I'm going to be very happy. Although for the month of November, I do think we're going to aim a little bit higher, which we'll be talking about in the next segment. In order to make sure I set some realistic goals, I went and made sure I knew exactly how many trading days were in the month of November. So it looks like there are 20 trading days inside the month of November, and therefore, when I was determining my monthly goal, or my goal for the month rather, I looked at it and I realized that if I made $175 a day average, that would be $3,500 profit for the month. And I always like to set the goal a little bit under what I think I can do. So the goal for this month is to make $3,000, which is an average of $150 a day. So that would be a 50% increase from last month's goal. And I think that overall, I think this is a very good goal to set, because even a 50% growth month to month is very, very good. And for the win rate for the month, I want to achieve 85% win rate, because last month I had an 80%, and each month I want to keep trying to do better and better. And I think that 80% is actually quite low. So I think that an 85%, a 5% jump up, is still within my range of like realistic goals. And the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is something that I'm actually really excited for. And honestly, I think it's going to be the most difficult challenge I'm facing for this month. And it is that I'm going to be using an upload schedule for the first time since I started my channel. I'm no longer going to just be sporadically uploading whenever I feel like it. The goal for this month is to upload a video every single even day of the month of November. So you can see on the calendar on your screen that everywhere the videos due, I'm going to plan on posting, and I'm even going to try to like upload it at a specific set time, which the 4 p.m. is in my local time, which is Central, but I'm going to convert it to Eastern time, which would be 5 p.m., since I think that we can all relate to that time zone the best if you're not Eastern, since it's the time the market runs on. So anyways, yeah, the goal is to upload every single even day for the duration of this month at 5 p.m. Eastern time. And I'm honestly not too sure if I can guarantee that I'll be able to fulfill this goal. It's a very difficult one. These videos do take a lot of time to make generally, and a lot of planning, because I have to plan the thumbnail, like the title and all of that stuff. So anyways, if you guys are excited to see some more content and it to actually be scheduled, make sure you subscribe. And if you can hit the like button to support the video, that would be really cool, because I'm about to be overwhelmed in the amount of work I'm going to be doing this month, because I'm also a student. I'm a full-time student. Anyways, if you've made it this far into the video, you've made it to the end, so I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you all have a good trading week, and I'll see you on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.